Hey guys, today I will be teaching you about cicadas, specifically periodical cicadas. There are three types of cicadas. The one we are talking about now is periodical cicadas, the ones that are very rare. These kind of cicadas take 17 to 13 years to come out of the ground. See, as you can see in the video, you see some cicadas climbing up. Here's the thing, cicadas migrate into the ground and incubate there for 17 years or 14. Once the time is done, they will crawl out. They will burrow out of the ground, climb up a perfectly straight object that's pointing up. Like for example, like a completely straight object. Like for example, a stick or a tree stump. As you can see, you see all those holes. That's where the cicadas burrow from and burrow in. As you can see, my mom is plucking them out. She is like digging up the holes. She wants to see what's inside of them. Okay, now that I've been, as you can see, there's a cicada flapping its wings. Up, 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 up. As you can see, the squirrel is actually climbing on this tree and actually eating the cicadas. The reason why cicadas come out of the ground every year is because they're meant to die. They're literal kamikaze pilots that are reborn. They're literally meant to be a nutritional source. So like they come out of the ground and like they're very nutritional. Like animals eat them. Birds, bugs, insects eat them. As you can see, you see a lot of cicada shells on the ground. Cicadas move. As you can see, there's the cicadas trying to get out. You see them slowly moving, trying to get out. I hope you enjoyed this video.